got lost tonight.
Uh-oh, this is not my villa.
Directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight. Under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find.
Oh well, I think I'm lost again. Better talk to this guy. Excuse me, sir. Can you please tell me where I am right now?
Hello, miss. Oh, you're at Beach Kuta. Where are you going?
I'm looking for Tanah Lot, but I cannot find it.
Ah, it's okay. I think Tanah Lot is closed today because of Balinese traditional ceremonies.
Oh, no wonder. It's okay. Can you show me the way to go back to my villa at Sanur?
Sure, but before that, I'd recommend you to see the sunset here at Kuta, and you can visit the new club over there.
Wow, really?
About your villa?
Ah yes, I forgot. So, where should I go?
Just go straight and then...
Wow, what a lovely view. But wait, let's go to the party, baby. So, this is the place, huh? Okay, let's give it a try.
The night is young, we go, it's strong till dawn. Up all night till the morning comes, we love it so. We go, it's strong for more.
Hello, may I take your order?
Give me your best whiskey.
One whiskey is coming up. Here you go. Drink responsibly, miss.
I will, thank you. I'm so dizzy. I need a taxi. I cannot drive. Hi, can you help me to call a taxi, please?
Okay, wait here, miss. Hey, taxi, come here. This is your taxi, miss.
Thank you. My villa is in Sanur. Thank you. Hi driver, can you take me to the restaurant for breakfast, please?
Sure, miss. Let's go to Jimbaran.
Please, thank you. Thank you. Hi driver, can you bring me to the club? I left the car at the club.
Sure, miss.
The car was epic. It's time to give it back the car. Here you go, driver.
Sure, miss. I'll handle it. Thank you.
Thanks, you are too kind. It's time for me to swim. Hey driver, can you take me to Tanah Lot now?
Okay, miss. Let's go.
One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love? Let's talk about
Ooh, so nice. It's like a paradise. I love Bali. Okay, it's time to leave this beautiful Bali. Hello driver, can you take me to the airport?
Sure, miss.
Thank you, driver. I love this journey.
Thank you, miss. Have a safe flight back to your country.
Bye bye, Bali. I will miss you.
one more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love?
Ekspornya nabrak, cuy. Oke, jalan yang ini stiker
Anjing
jalan.
ketabrak.
Ulang. Pakai ketabrak lagi. Pengamen ketabrak parah. Ya, oke, Anet masuk, Kul masuk, Kul.
Gol masuk. Gol masuk
Ya udah, nggak apa-apa, udah biarin. Oke, Rob, jalan, Rob.
Bali through I give you. Lupa ngomong apa tadi.
Siapa lagi tuh? Buset dah.
Ya,
Nggak nyangkut. Bisa. Oh ya, nggak bisa. Sialan.
remnya blong. Woi.
untung
Mundur Gen, pasti turunan
ya,
sana
lu
Gen.
nggak nyebur
Munduran.
air tadi, bro.
Munduran Gen.
Iya.
Bro. Pak, Bapak udah bikin saya nabrak aja nih Pak. Mobil saya tanggung jawab Pak. Mobil saya Pak rusak nih mobil saya ini Pak.
Wah, nabrak, Cok.
Oh nabrak ya. Mas, menanya Mas, sejam berapa Mas? Belum ke Bali.
Sejam berapa menit, Mas?
Dulu
Anjir.
cewek kiu 50.
50 anjing.
Lu kira apaan aja 50?
$50 maksudnya.
Boleh.
Boleh.
Dolar Hong Kong.
Dolar Hongkong. Ini mobil kenapa tuh working gini nih?
Oke, Bi. Ya, apa geser dulu.
Ulang.
Enggak usah pelan-pelan langsung kencengin aja.
Bye.